It's a great day for a drive, especially in a 2023 F-150 XLT in Oxford white, black sport cloth interior, seating for 5, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. This has a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. It also has the FX4 off-road package, which includes skid plates, a trailer tow package, as well. You have a power sliding window in the rear and navigation, as well as many other features. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book that online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. And you also have a map of downtown Detroit. Driver and passenger seat are powered with lumbar, and you've got this nice sport cloth, and on the floors, carpeted mats. There's your electronic parking brake, power pedals, high mount lighting, lighting controls, LED side view mirror spotlights, and the release for your tailgate. And there's a grab handle as well as a running board, and that just makes it easier to get in. And then on the face of the steering wheel, we have our cruise control, lane keeping, volume, our menu for the dash, and hands-free dialing. Now this is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start stop button. And then on your dash, any important messages, the odometer reading, as well as your menu. So let's go through that. My view, trip fuel, truck info, towing, navigation, phone, audio, settings, and these all have sub-menus. And in the center here, we've got a little cubby down behind, and then you've got your camera view. So if you don't want to put the vehicle in reverse, but you want to know what's going on behind you, it's right off the back bumper. There's a center line, and green, yellow, red is just telling you how close other vehicles or objects are to you, and this is just a screen protector, that red diagonal line. So you don't have to actually put the vehicle in reverse, you can just take a look through the camera. Your hazard lights, hill descent, traction control. Our sources, just by touching on there, we can see our entertainment, AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth. And you notice off to the side, you've got a little page, different pages here that you can go into and slide through for just a quick snapshot of what's going on. And then we can go into navigation, see the full map, choose in our menu, our destination, and off we go. Settings, we have a lot of different options in there as well. You can change the clock, you can go in and change the look of your display, go into general, change different things from kilometers to miles if you want, Fahrenheit to Celsius, and so forth, or back and forth. Software updates as well. And in your features, you have your owner's manual, towing, zone lighting, and driver assist. And then when we do put the vehicle in reverse, we're going to see our backup camera view. So this is the same kind of view that you're getting right off the bumper, so you know what's going on behind you. Let's put us back into park. We have our volume and tuner, dual climate control and dual heated seats, as well as the AC and max AC, front and rear defrost, and there's your fan. Down in the cubby, you have a USB and USB-C, and then off to the side, Pro Trailer backup, integrated trailer brake controller, and your drive mode with your locking differential, and that appears beside the menu to the right, and then when I press it again, it'll go off. And then the drive modes will dial through. You'll see this on the dash. So as your road conditions and your, the weather changes, you can make changes. So there's tow haul, and you notice the icons change as I dial through. And then there's eco, and there's sport. And then if you had, going from normal, you might have some weather. There's slippery, deep snow, sand, mud ruts, and rock crawl. And so if you needed that, whether you wanted to go off-road intentionally or not, you've got that ability to add in the traction and go into 4x4, give yourself a little more confidence, a little more control. And then in the center here, you have an automatic select shifter, and you can make the shifter go down. And you might want to use that as a workspace or put your lunch there, whatever you want to do. And then just press again, it'll come right back up. You've got a couple of cup holders. Your armrest, as usual, is very generous, and you've got a nice little bin in here. You've got your USB, USB-C outlet down below, and then off to the side is your 12 volt. You also have a 120, 2 glove compartments. The lower one's locking, and the other one releases from there. Grab handle in the body, and then you have your auto dimming rear view mirror, lighting controls, sunglass holder, and you have a power sliding window in the rear, and that's what that's for. And then you're ready to take off. 20-inch wheels, black running board, Body colored door handle with intelligent access. That means when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors, and keyless entry keypad. Driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler. And you're seeing the FX4 off-road badging, and that package includes skid plates. In the rear, the tailgate handle is body colored. The camera's just above it, and the LED lights to the right. You have backup sensors on the bumper, 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And then when you're ready to open up that tailgate, this is my favorite part, you double click the fob and it powers it down. It's got tailgate assist, so you notice it goes down easily. And this is a little workhorse. It's got a tailgate step, and also you've seen that yellow dot. That is actually a handle that pulls out for stability, and you've also got clamps on the left and on the right, so if you wanted to do a little bit of work here, you could. You've also got 2 yardsticks, one's metric and one's imperial. And then off to the side you also have an outlet, so you can power up or you can charge your tools if you want to. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away. Jump in and head out on your latest adventure, and on your fob you have a remote start. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows and grab handle in the body. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Just lift the seat and it gives you more room on the floor, and then grab the little pin tab here, you just pull and it'll bring it right down. You have anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats, and this nice sport cloth on the seats, carpeted mats on the floor, slim pockets on the back of the front seat, and you've got a couple of cup holders, a 12 volt, your air vents on each side, USB, USB-C, and a 120 volt. Grab handle on the driver's side as well, lighting and hooks, and in the back, access to a power sliding window with rear defrost. Body colored bumper with backup sensors, and you also have a backup camera in the rear, 5.5-foot box, privacy glass in the back windows, adjustable side view mirrors with blind spot information system, auto high beams, fog lights, tow hooks, and many more features. If you'd like to see more videos, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we'd love to hear your comments.